Simplify 3 sort 8 plus 5 sort 2 minus 3 sort 32. So the first thing that you should do is to look at, you can see here we have sort 2. So as we are looking, we know that this 8 can as well be reduced to sort 2, because 4 times 2 can give us 8, and the square root of 4 will be rationalized. So you can understand the same thing to this one. So let's just bring it out that way. So we have 4 times 2, we have 8, 5 sort 2, 3, 16 times 2 will give us 32. So from here, we now have 3 sort square root of 4 times sort 2, 5 square root of 16 times sort 2. Sort 2. So from here we have 3 times 2, that's the square root of 4 is 2, then times sort 2 plus 5 sort 2 minus 3. This will be times square root of 16 is 4 times sort 2. So from here we now have 3 times 2 is 6 sort 2 plus 5 sort 2 minus 3 times 4 is 12 sort 2. So from here 6 plus 5 is 11 sort 2, and we have 12 sort 2. So if you subtract that, 11 minus 12 is minus 1. So 11 sort 2 minus 12 sort 2, we have minus sort 2. That minus sort 2. So that is the final answer. Let me drop this with you. Just work this out. Simplify 6 sort A raised to the power 4 B raised to the power 3 plus sort A square times B plus sort A raised to the power 4 times B. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Keep following, keep streaming, and share to your friends to also learn from math time. Thank you very much.